This is the Berryland counter, and we'll come to know more about how some economically important berries are cultivated. Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me more about?
Yes. Welcome to Berryland. Berryland में आपका स्वागत है. Today we are going to talk about blueberries. Blueberry is this kind of a bush.
Right.
It is similar to a rose bush. It's a shrub.
Right.
And it grows as tall as 4.5 feet.
Right. And blueberries are native to India, or these were introduced by the English, or when they were here?
Blueberries are not native to India.
Okay.
They are predominantly found in Europe
Okay.
and North American countries.
Right.
These are a tissue culture lab plants.
Right.
The mother stock is from abroad.
Okay.
And we made them in tissue culture here in India.
And which part of the tissue culture you used to set up your line? Like, I mean, callus culture or cells
Yes,
or
so certain part of the stem is taken.
certain part of the stem is taken.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. And how do you identify a blueberry? Particularly, what is the defining features like compared to roses or other berries like from the leaves?
Without the flowering, it is
Right.
difficult.
Okay.
But one thing is
Diagnostic character.
is the stems.
Okay.
Blueberry often will have another stem coming from down.
Right.
If I can. This is a good example.
Okay.
As the plant starts maturing, you will see
Right.
more primocane-like
Okay.
plants coming directly from the root.
What did you say? Primocane. What?
Similar.
Okay.
A common word used is
Right.
primocane.
Primocane means
This
just to simplify it for thicker.
It's
Okay.
a thicker,
Newer stem.
Almost like a mother stem.
Mother stem.
So this, when the plant goes into a bigger pot,
Right.
more of such stems will start coming down
Right.
from the root.
Right.
So this is a distinguished characteristic of a blueberry.
Okay. Okay.
Next we have a raspberry plant. Raspberry plants are, for many people in India don't know what a raspberry looks like.
Right.
That is how a raspberry tastes.
Right.
It looks like it's a red color fruit.
Right.
In taste, it's similar to a strawberry.
Okay.
Tart.
Right.
The flavor is very different.
Okay.
The smell of a raspberry is very different.
Okay.
And very exotic.
Okay.
Raspberries are creepers,
Okay.
similar to a tomato plant.
Okay.
It requires a trellis structure.
And they are from the same family, botanical family, all three or no?
Yes,
Yes.
but raspberry and blackberry are closer cousins.
Okay.
It is a further away cousin from blueberry.
Raspberry and blackberry are cousins.
Cousins.
Okay.
They both
Okay.
follow in the family Rubus.
Rubis.
Yes.
And blueberries fall in
It's a
different family.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
different family.
Okay. Okay. So this is the raspberry plant, right? So the leaves are, the leaf venation is little different from, say, what is here in a mulberry, blueberry. Sorry.
Complication
Yes.
is different.
Different.
Also the structure is
Structure is different.
This is a rose shrub structure.
Rose shrub.
This is a creeper.
Creeper.
Like a tomato.
Tomato. Okay.
If you see, this is like I said, blackberry.
Blackberry.
You can see a small fruiting starting to happen and flowering starting to
Yes.
happen.
Yes.
This is going to look like that.
Blackberry.
Like a
Okay.
blackberry.
Okay.
Yes, a good accurate picture of blackberry is that.
Okay.
Blueberry, blackberry, raspberry.
Okay.
These are darker, usually dark green.
Okay.
The differentiation of our blackberry variety is it is thornless. As
Thornless.
you can see, there
Right.
are no thorns.
Right. So this is selectively bred.
This is selectively bred
Right,
to be
right,
thornless, number
right,
one.
right.
Number two, this is a primocane variety, which means it can give fruit twice a year.
Twice a year.
Yes.
Right. And what are the seasons it will give typically?
That depends on when you plant it. Both,
So if you have to plant it, say now in November,
if you plant in November, probably the first harvest should be within 4 to 5 months.
within 4 to 5 months.
Yes.
So we are expecting around March, April, March.
Yes.
Should
the
be.
first harvest is a little bit more delayed.
Okay.
Because the plant needs to grow 6.5, 7 feet tall.
Right.
Then
Right.
it starts
And this will be the harvest time in any temperate climate zone in India. Somebody in South.
Warmer will be little earlier. Warmer
Okay.
has
Warmer,
more-
yeah, right.
warmer has more
So somebody say
vegetable.
growing it, say, I mean, whether theoretically this will grow in a place like Mumbai or unlikely?
Yes.
It will.
In fact, our most successful raspberry and blackberry farmer is in Saswat near Pune.
Okay.
Which is hot.
Hot, yeah, right,
Yeah.
right, okay.
It's not in Panchgani where we are from,
Panchgani,
but
yes.
it's from Saswat.
Okay.
So he has done a fantastic job with raspberry and blackberry.
Okay, okay. So this has adjusted to hot climatic conditions.
Yes, we have a demonstration farm. We do not introduce or sell any varieties that have not grown in our farm. Our farm has a temperature of 40 degrees in summer,
Mhm.
and the mine in winter we go around 10 to 12.
And this is in Panchgani.
This is in Panchgani.
So it reaches up to 40 nowadays.
Yes.
Okay.
This May we were 41. The second round of testing we do is to farmers who are maybe in Vai or Pune, Nashik region, where
Right.
temperature is a little bit more warm.
Okay.
So
Okay.
without a double test of
Right.
our farm and our customers' farm,
Right.
we don't start selling
You don't
for the
sell
third
anything.
parties.
Okay. And in humid conditions, I mean, if a retail customer, somebody is buying as a retail 2-3 plants,
Yes.
is it realistic? I mean, will it grow in a place like Mumbai or Calcutta, that side, or you can't say?
It would grow.
It could grow.
I would recommend for them to, if they have a balcony where they have full sunlight,
Right.
I would recommend blueberries.
Blueberries.
Because they are easy to handle.
Easy
they
to-
don't have any pest problem except for maybe thrips,
Uh-huh.
which is easy to cure with neem sprays.
Okay.
So for home buyers or home gardeners,
Okay.
blueberry is a much better, easier variety to grow.
Okay.
Raspberry, blackberry, both are for more sophisticated farmers for commercial farmers.
Right. Okay. And you were telling me about the blackberry, right? Which is absolutely without thorns.
Yes.
So this was selectively bred, and just to ask some questions, how many years it took to develop this variety? Like
For all varieties, each variety takes at least 10 years to develop.
10 years. So
So you're looking at minimum it will take 5 to 6 years.
so 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years to
Okay,
develop because
okay.
In Mother Nature,
Right.
in wild,
Right.
the berries always have thorns.
Correct.
So because birds eat them,
Yes.
monkeys eat them,
Yes,
almost
yes.
all herbivorous animals
Yeah,
eat
obviously
them.
thorns are a defense measure in.
Exactly.
Right.
So this special variety of blackberry was developed to be thornless.
Right.
That is why
And this was by your selective breeding or through tissues or
no, by selective breeding.
Selective breeding.
Internationally done. We have
Interna-
still a tissue culture lab. We don't do research yet.
Okay.
We hope to do it soon.
Okay.
But
Okay.
these are
Great,
licensed varieties.
great. And so those are the 3 varieties you all have here.
Yes, these are
Okay,
the 3 varieties.
3 varieties. And do you all ship across India, or what is your current shipping schedule
Yes,
like?
we ship across India. We are aiming to reach out to more farmers and nurseries.
Okay,
Currently, our minimum order size is 30 plants of each berry.
30 plants of each berry.
Yeah, so 30
Okay,
blueberry or 30 raspberries.
okay,
We are hoping to also reach out to commercial farmers because raspberry and blackberries cannot be imported in India right now under
okay.
current regulation.
There is a regulation issue.
Yes.
Okay.
So we are hoping to, and they are both extremely high in antioxidants
Okay.
and nutritional value, which are not easily available. So
Okay,
we are really wanting for farmers to grow this so that Indian people can have these berries.
okay. And what would the typical shipping charges be approximately for 30 plants?
Generally, we do them by railway.
Railway.
And it's a standard of 450 rupees almost pretty much throughout India.
450 you are able to supply this.
Yeah, for
Okay,
30 plants.
okay. But retail still is not going to reach that space. It still takes some time.
Frankly, for raspberry and blackberry, the plant is so complicated.
Right.
We would not recommend.
Not be interested.
Yeah.
Okay, so for retail you will be only targeting blueberries, or
Yeah,
that's it.
blueberries for retailers,
Right.
definitely.
Definitely. Okay, fine. Great. So I'll put the contact details in the description, and feel free to definitely contact ma'am or whoever's in charge. And the great nice interview with you. Very helpful. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Wish you best of luck.